Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to check your automatic payments on the Chase app in 2025. Whether you're trying to keep tabs on your subscriptions, bills, or just want to avoid any surprise charges, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Chase app installed on your smartphone. It's always a good idea to update for the newest features and security enhancements. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your credentials. Remember, use a secure connection to protect your financial info. Now, once you're logged in, head to the main dashboard. Look for the Payments or Bills section. It's usually front and center. In 2025, Chase has made this even easier with a dedicated Automatic Payments tab. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of all your recurring transactions. From there, you can view details like the payment amount, due dates, and the merchant involved. If you spot something that doesn't look right, you can even set up alerts or cancel payments directly from the app. Pro tip: Chase now integrates with your calendar app to remind you of upcoming payments, which is a game changer for staying organized. If you're new to the Chase app, don't worry, it's user-friendly with helpful tutorials built in. Just explore the settings if you need more guidance. And remember, checking your automatic payments regularly can help you budget better and avoid any financial surprises. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helps you manage your finances more effectively. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay savvy, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.